Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable location within the Bolt application. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Bolt application for the first time, you will automatically be asked to allow access to your location. When this option appears, you will need to tap on it while using the app so that the application will be able to use your GPS data every time you open it up. However, if you skip this option by tapping on Don't Allow, you can also long press on the Bolt application and tap on the info button to get into the application info page. Now, first of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application, and once you have stopped it, underneath privacy you will see the permissions option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now underneath not allowed you will be able to see location. Just tap on this option, and now make sure that you select allow only while using the app. Once you tap on this option, the Bolt application will place the location permission underneath the allowed section, which means that the Bolt app will now be allowed location access onto your device. After this step, you can go back to the Bolt application and proceed forward by using your GPS data in order to enter your current location. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable location access on the Bolt app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.